The Constitution of India, Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Hello my dears, welcome back to another interesting session of 7th grade math. Speed is calculated as miles per hour, but life is calculated as miles per hour. So children, increase your miles, get an extra mileage in your life. Okay? So children, let us start today's session. Take page number 100. The second question. I will read out the question for you. Shyama's exam starts at 2 o'clock. To reach the place, she has to travel 50 kilometers by bus and 175 kilometers by train. Average speed of bus journey is 20 km per hour and average speed of train journey is 50 km per hour. To reach there 1 hour before the exam, when should Shyama leave home? Here, Shyama is going to write an exam. Her exam starts at 2 o'clock, but she has to reach there by 1 o'clock. How? 1 hour before the exam. 1 hour before the exam means 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So, 1 o'clock she has to reach there. Then, to reach the place she has to travel 50 kilometers by bus and 175 kilometers by train. Let's write. First, we can write by bus journey. By bus, she has to travel 50 kilometers. So, what is that 50 kilometers? Distance. Distance is equal to 50 kilometers. And that is distance travelled is equal to 50 kilometers. And average speed of bus is 20 kilometer per hour. Average speed of the bus journey is equal to 20 kilometer per hour. 20 kilometer per hour. So, how to find out time here? Distance is given, average speed also given. So, how to find out time? Time is equal to distance divided by speed. Do you remember that? DST, time is equal to D by S is equal to, what is the distance here? 50 divided by 20. 0, 0 cancel is equal to 5 by 2 is equal to 2.5. What is the unit of time? Hours. 2.5 hours. Okay. And then by train. By train. By train she has to travel 175 kilometers. So, distance is equal to 175 kilometers. 175 kilometers. And then what about the average speed? Average speed is equal to 50 kilometer per hour. average speed is equal to 50 kilometer per hour. So time is equal to d by s is equal to 175 divided by 50. So you can cancel, either you can do long division method or you can cancel 175 divided by 50. So how many times 50 goes in 175? 5 3s are 15. 150. Then 5, 7 minus 5, 2. Then 5 5s are 25. So 3.5 hours. 3.5 hours. Okay. So by bus she has to travel 2.5 hours and by train she has to travel 3.5 hours. So what will be the total time? Total time. I don't have space to write down, so I am writing here. You have to write down. Okay. So total time is equal to 2.5 hours plus 3.5 hours is equal to what? 2.5 plus 3.5. 2.5 plus 3.5 is equal to 6. So total time is equal to 6 hours. Okay. So children, exam starts at 2 o'clock. So starting time of the exam. Starting time of the exam. Starting time of the exam is equal to 2 p.m. 2 p.m. right? And to reach there 1 hour before the exam. So 1 hour before the exam means 1 hour before the exam is equal to 2 minus 1 is equal to 1 p.m. So 1 p.m. she has to reach the school, and then total time is equal to 6 hours. So how to find out this, children? From 1 p.m. count 6 hours backwards. So before 1, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. So 7 a.m. So after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1. Correct, right? So she has to start from home at 7 a.m. So the question is, to reach there 1 hour before the exam, when should Shyama leave home? So time to start from home. Time to start from home. Time to start from home is equal to 7 a.m. So time to start from home is equal to 7 a.m. Is this clear, children? So total time is 6 hours. So to reach school before 1 hour means 2 p.m. minus 1, that is 1 p.m. right? So from 1 p.m. count 6 hours backwards. That means 7 a.m. Okay. So she has to start from home at 7 a.m. So after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1. Okay. Is this clear, children? Otherwise you can calculate this. 1 minus 6 is not possible, right? From 1 p.m. minus 6 hours is not possible. So you can take this in railway time, that is 13 hours. 12 after 12 noon it is 13 means 13 hours. So 13 minus 6 is equal to 7. This way also you can find out the answer. Is it clear, children? Children, next side heading is saving time. That page number 100 itself, one question is there. A bus leaves Ernakulam at 6 in the morning and reaches Thiruvananthapuram at 12 noon. Bus leaves Ernakulam at 6 in the morning means 6 a.m. and reaches Tirunelveli at 12 noon. So, after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, total 6 hours. Then running 40 kilometer per hour on average. So, what is the average speed of the bus? It is 40 kilometer per hour. To reach 1 hour earlier, by how much should the average speed be increased? Total time taken is 6 hours. To reach 1 hour before means 5 hours only. I will explain that. So, here first speed is equal to 40 kilometer per hour. 40 kilometer per hour. Time is equal to 12 minus 6 equal to 6 hours. And then what about distance? Distance is equal to speed into time. Speed into time is equal to, what is the speed? 40 into time 6. 4 6 are 24. So, 240 kilometer. Then to reach 1 hour earlier. To reach 1 hour earlier means this is 6 hours. So, 5 hours. Then time needed to reach 1 hour earlier. Time needed to reach 1 hour earlier. Time needed to reach 1 hour earlier is equal to 6 minus 1 is equal to 5 hours, right? Average speed is equal to 40, time is equal to 6 hours, distance equal to speed into time is equal to 40 into 6 equal to 240. Time needed to reach 1 hour earlier is equal to 6 minus 1 is equal to 5 hours. So, what will be the new average speed then? Then the new average speed is equal to distance by time is equal to, what is the distance? 240 divided by time is equal to 5 is equal to how many hours? 240 divided by 5. Either you can do cancellation method or you can do like this. 5 4s are 20, then 40, 5 8s are 40. So, 48. This is speed. So, what is the unit of speed? Distance by time means kilometer per hour. Kilometer per hour. So, new speed is equal to 48 kilometer per hour. So, average speed to be increased is equal to what? Average speed to be increased. Average speed to be increased is equal to 48 minus 40. This is the new average speed, right? 48 and then 40. So, average speed to be increased, that means the difference between these two, that is 48 minus 40. 48 minus 40 is equal to 8 kilometer per hour. So, 8 kilometer per hour. So, average speed to be increased is equal to 48 minus 40 is equal to 8 kilometer per hour. Is it clear, children? Children, take page 101. In that side heading railway station, one question is there. Abu boarded a bus at 7 in the morning. What is this, children? Boarded? Boarded means got onto it. Abu got onto the bus at 7 a.m. Usually the bus travels 30 kilometer per hour on average. So, what is the speed of that bus? usual speed is 30 kilometer per hour to reach the railway station at 11. So, what is the time? Starting time is 7 a.m. and reach the railway station at 11. So, after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So, total time is 4 hours. But since it was raining, the bus could run only 20 kilometer per hour on average. Why? Because it was raining. Abu got down from the bus at 9, caught a car and reached the station at 11 itself. Abu got down from the bus and caught a car. When did he get down from the bus? At 9, and then reached the station at 11 itself. So, what is the time taken here? 11 minus 9 is equal to 2, or after 9, 10, 11. What was the average speed of the car? We have to find out the average speed of the car. How to find out this, children? Let's see. First, the heading is railway station. Abu boarded a bus at 7 in the morning. So, usually the bus travel 30 kilometer per hour on average. So, average speed of the bus. Average speed of the bus. Average speed of the bus is equal to 30 kilometer per hour. What is the time? Started at 7 in the morning and reached 11. So, after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Time is equal to 4 hours. 4 hours. 11 minus 7 is equal to 4 hours. So, what will be the distance? Distance is equal to speed into time. Speed into time is equal to 30 into 4 is equal to 3 4s are 12, 120 kilometers. Then average speed of the bus on that rainy day. Average speed of the bus. Average speed of the bus on that day or on that rainy day is equal to 20 kilometer per hour. 20 kilometer per hour. Time taken is equal to 7 o'clock he started and then he got down from the bus at 9. So, 9 minus 7 is equal to 2 hours. Average speed of the bus on that day is equal to 20 kilometer per hour. Time is equal to 9 minus 7 is equal to 2 hours. He started at 7 but he got down from the bus at 9. So, after 7, 8, 9, that is 9 minus 7 is equal to 2 hours. Then children, distance Abu travelled by bus on that day. Distance Abu travelled by bus on that rainy day. On that day is equal to, distance is equal to, what is the formula? Speed into time. Distance Abu travelled by bus on that day is equal to, distance is equal to speed into time. What is speed here? Is equal to 20 into time. He started at 7 but he got down from the bus at 9. So, total duration 2 hours. So, time is equal to 2 hours. So, 20 into 2 is equal to 40 kilometers. So, distance Abu travelled by bus on that day is equal to 40 kilometers. But what is the actual distance? Is equal to 120 kilometers. So, he has to travel 80 more kilometers to reach the station, that is 120 kilometers. So, what is the difference between this? 120 minus 40 is equal to 80. distance travelled by car is equal to total distance is 120 minus by bus 40. So 120 minus 40 is equal to 80 kilometers. And then how much time? Time duration is equal to 9 to 11. That is, he got down from the bus at 9 o'clock and reached the station at 11. So 9 to 11, that is 2 hours. That is 11 minus 9 is equal to 2 hours. Then speed, average speed of the car journey. That what was the average speed of the car? So average speed of the car is equal to, what is the formula for finding the average speed? Speed is equal to distance by time. So what is the distance here? 80 kilometer by time is equal to 2 is equal to 80 by 2 is equal to 40. What is the unit of the speed? Kilometer per hour. Kilometer per hour. Children, distance travelled by car is equal to 80 kilometers. Time taken is equal to 2 hours. How? 9 o'clock he got down from the bus, but he reached the station at 11 a.m. itself. So 11 minus 9, the difference between these two, that is 2 hours. That is after 9, 10, 11. Then average speed of the car is equal to distance by time, that is 80 divided by 2 is equal to 40 kilometers per hour. Is it clear, children? So children, these 3 questions write in your rough notebook 2 times. This is today's homework. Okay. So children, this is the end of our today's session. So we'll meet you in the next class. Until then, bye.